If OneDrive keeps downloading files to your PC and you want to stop it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to pause syncing and also how to stop specific folders from downloading so you can take back control of your storage and your files. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, look at the system tray area near the clock on your computer. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon there. Click that OneDrive icon to open the sync controls. Once the OneDrive panel appears, click the gear icon in the top corner. This opens the settings menu where you can control syncing options. Now look for the option called pause syncing. This is the fastest way to temporarily stop OneDrive from downloading or syncing files. When you click it, you'll usually see a few time options like 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. Choose the amount of time that works best for you. If you only need a short break from syncing, 2 hours is fine. If you want to stop downloads for most of the day, 8 hours or 24 hours may be better. Keep in mind that pausing syncing does not remove OneDrive completely. It simply tells OneDrive to stop updating files for the selected time period. That makes it really useful if your internet is slow, your PC is running low on storage, or you just do not want files changing while you work. If your goal is not to pause everything, but only stop certain folders from downloading, there's another option you can use. Open the OneDrive settings again, and this time go to the Account section. In the Account area, click Choose Folders. This is where you can control which OneDrive folders are allowed to sync to your computer. You'll see a list of folders linked to your OneDrive account. To stop a folder from downloading to your PC, simply uncheck the folders you do not want synced locally. This is especially helpful if you have large folders you never use on this device, or if you only want to keep important files available offline. After unchecking the folders you want to disable, click OK to save your changes. At this point, OneDrive will stop downloading those selected folders to your computer while still keeping your account active. That means you can stay signed in and still access your cloud files online whenever you need them without filling up your local drive. If you ever need to restore syncing later, just go back into the same OneDrive settings and recheck the folders or turn syncing back on from the pause menu. It's a simple process, and once you know where these settings are, you can manage OneDrive much more easily. So to recap, if you want to stop files from downloading from OneDrive, first click the OneDrive cloud icon near the clock, then open the gear icon and use pause syncing to stop everything temporarily. If you only want to stop certain folders, go to Account, click Choose Folders, uncheck the folders you do not want on your PC, and click OK. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.